How much for bean? Which beans be this? Oloingiri. This one call? This one call? Oloyin drum.
Yes.
Now you dey sell. How much for this one?
15, 14, 14.
Okay, Oloyin pelebe now be this one. How much you want give me last?
Which one?
This one.
You know what?
Nigerian rice na lele. Ṣé kò wọ́n?
Hansen?
Oh yeah, you dey see.
Yeah.
I dey for this one.
Which one?
Na lele. How much for Nigerian rice?
Nigerian rice. This one 17. This one imported 2,000.
This one na Nigerian rice.
Nigerian rice.
Nigerian rice.
17.
Stone dey inside.
No get stone now. Check now. This one no get stone. Angie, now I
How much last for this one?
1,650.
1,650. Why the 50 inside?
I have 1,600.
1,6.
I mean,
Wait, Sadiko, how much for onion?
which one?
300. 200. This one don't come white. It's what? 500. Onions don't they come? This one for 500. This one come? 1,000. I'm bringing you to the street of Ibadan to check the price of foodstuffs on the street compared to the price of foodstuffs in the market. Welcome to Oju Olakpe Space, and if you're my returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for always supporting our YouTube channel. Guys, this is part of Ibadan. We are right in Ibadan, and this area in Ibadan is called Academy. This is Academy Road, and this road leads to Idiroko. That Idiroko also leads to Abeokuta. But one thing about this road is during dry season, the dust in this place, hey, ooh, even with the bike, the dust, so because of that, I make sure I use my nose mask because of the dust particles. And you can also try, if you have a place like this in your area, just make sure you use your nose mask, especially this season. We have entered into dry season because the sun nowadays, the sun is on high side. So because of that, be cautious of your road. Don't just live your life like, okay, this time I'm just on bike and nothing go shell. Be conscious. Guys, I went inside a school community after the close of the day. They've just closed, and I was like, oh, this remind me when I was in school. You know that when you see all these children, you see all these school students. This is a secondary school in Ibadan. You know, when you see all these children, it remind you to ring a bell. Oh, when I was in secondary school. You know, you understand. You just have to look at it. It bring back a new memory, old memory, not even new memory. Oh, this was how I was. I work with my friends, and after closing, some don't go home in time, some stay back to gist, some hurry home, depending on the type of home you're from. So I just like, guys, let me just take you and you see how these peoples are doing. How they sell watermelon? The one you don't right. How much this one? How much last? 1,000. Now 1,500 last. So yeah, which one small passage? This one, have you? Or that one? This one. You don't ride? How you want to say you don't ride? Last. This one 1,000. For our veggie this season. So guys, apart from going to the market in Ibadan to buy your salad ingredients, you can also find them on the street. But what really is the concern now is the price of the market and the price that those that stays on the street sells. Are they the same price? And that is the purpose of this particular video. We want to compare the price of those that sells in the market, things they sell in the market, with what they sell on the street. Now we have the carrot. This is carrot season. Normally, if you're going on the street and you want to buy carrot from those abokis, you have the one of 100 naira, 200 naira. But when you get to stand where they sell salad ingredients, you have them selling, they will tell you 1 kg is 600 or 1000. Sometimes I wonder why that or what makes their carrots different from the one that the abokis are selling. But for here we have the bell peppers, the ones, the yellow and the red one is going for 500 naira, although he accepted 400 naira, while the garbage is going for 500 naira each, though they are of different sizes at this particular stand that this guy sells. So guys, I know we are getting so close to the festive period where you want to try different delicacy and you'll be going for salad. I like salad. I like it so much, especially with the salad cream, not mayonnaise. Some people will tell you they'll make their salad and they will add mayonnaise. Me, I don't like mayonnaise. I love this salad cream itself. Orange. How much for this again? Banana, how much? Oh. First one is going for 1,003. Why this one is going for 1,700? Hello, Nima. 600. How much? Easier. Madam, how much? 1.5. Hello, hello. Good evening. How much for this one? Are waiting. Now drum. How much? And if big go. How much?
1 food.
Gaskia.
Gaskia 1 3.
Hello, one Sokoto. Hello ni.
1 3.
1 3 Sokoto.
And what's how much?
Hello ni ba le same time.
200 for 500.
Thank you.
How much you want buy this?
If the price they okay, I'll come back, come buy it. Your pepper encore? This one 1 4 abi? Abi 1 3? 1 3. Ata gbigbe. Ṣé ìdílé? Congo. 1 1. No, I'll come back for this one and the pepper. This woman's shop, she's selling her own Congo of rice, 2,200. And Agari is going for 700. I was like, now wow, even at the market, Gari is 500, while rice is going for 1,000, 1,009. Some are even selling 1,007. But she said her own rice is different type of rice, so because of that, our own Congo is going for 2,200. So this is actually what defines why the price of foodstuffs is high, because everybody just puts their own price. It has also increased from 500 to 550. Hello, Alide. 700. 700. Kelly, cover, come on. Which one they call this one? 1K, I be waiting they call them.
Yes. Ya kana nauyi haka. Wannan da ka ci inda a can namiji mace ce kai namiji aure kana tunanin wajen girki za ku zama. Wallahi kaga dai baka sani ba. Kudi ne jiya. Wato kudi kana tafiya ya kace.
So this Hausa man eating this rice. I mean with longer throat. I was like, what are you eating? He said 1K Hausa rice. I said, okay, let me taste it. Guys, what attracted me to this rice is the color of the rice. And it has beans. So I told the guy, look, let me taste before I buy. And he said, okay, we'll look for a spoon. So he opened it and he gave me. When I tasted it, I liked it. So I decided to buy some. We are in cocoyam season. And this cocoyam, this woman is selling this particular set 500 naira. I was like, in the market is though it's cheaper. Hello, mama. 2,000. Where that? Hello, 5,000. This is Kmomo, but this is not Kmomo Ijebu. This is the other white Kmomo. This one is not the brown Ijebu Kmomo. And like she said, we have the set for 2,000. We have the other one for 5,000, 2,000, 1,500 naira. And yes, Okporoko. We have stock fish of different sizes. Then the palm oil, I was surprised. This is Banga palm oil. You know, we have different types of palm oil. This is Banga palm oil, and this Banga palm oil shows this is really from the main source where they get palm oil. And the Banga palm oil, a liter is going for 1,500. So she also has crayfish. I think our price is the same as that of the market. So it's not every vendor that will sell at the same price they sell at the market. Some are higher while some are lesser. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog. See you in my next video. Bye.